Namaste everyone. Today we will be discussing AIAPGT 2022 question paper, that is question number 81 to 100. According to Vagbhada, Krichraj Sharvana Bhakshana is the Lakshana of. The options are Jihwagatavada, Hanusramsa, Mugatva, Ardita. It is direct reference from Ashtangridaya Nidanasthana Vada Vyadhi Nidhana. The answer is Hanusramsa. From this context, what we have to learn is Lakshana of individual Vadavyadis like Ardita, Hanusramsa, Jihwastambha, Pakshagada are frequently asked in almost all years. So we have to prepare notes on Lakshana, Nidana, prognosis, synonyms of each Vadavyadi. Now let us move on the next question. According to Vagbhada, Nasya in Shishira Ritu should be administrated in which kala? The options are Purvana, Madhyana, Aparana, Nishi. Direct reference from Ashtangridaya Sutrasthana Nasya Vidyadhyaya. The slogan is Pradaha Shleshmani Madhyane Pitte Sayam Nishesh Chale Swasthavritte Tu Purvane Sharad Kala Vasantayo Shidhe Madhyandhine Grishme Sayam Varshasu Adhabe. Nasya should be administrated in the Pradaha for Shleshma dosha, in Madhyana for Pitta, and in the Saya or Nishi for Vata. For healthy person, it should be in the Purvana during Sharat and Vasantha, and in Madhyana during Shidakala, and in Sayam during Grishma Ritu. And when there is sunlight during Varsha Ritu. So the answer is Madhyana. Next, 83rd question. According to Sharangdhara, Bibhitaka Pudapaga is not indicated. The options are Kasa, Shwasa, Swarabheda, Rajakshma. Answer is Rajakshma. In Sharangdhara, Bibhitaka Pudapaga Rasa is used for Kasa, Shwasa, Pradikshaya and Swarabheda. In the same context, there are some other important Pudapaga Rasa are mentioned. Kudacha Pudapaga Rasa is used for Adisara. Dhadimadi Pudapaga Rasa is used for Sarvadisara. Nagrodhadi plus Tittiri Mamsa Pudapaga is used for Sarvadisara. Mrigasringa Pudapaga Rasa is used for Hritshula. Kantakaryadi Pudapaga Rasa is used for Kasa, and Surana Pudapaga is used for Arshas. Next question, 84th question. According to Vagbhada, Uttaravasti in male is. The options are Karsha Matra, Shukti Matra, Pala Matra, Pala Dvaya Matra. It's a direct reference from Ashtangridaya Sutrasthana Vasti Vidhi. For female, Matra is Shukti Matra. The slogan is Sastasya Vastihi Mridur Lekhu Matraha Shuktihi Vigalpasya Va. And also according to Vagbhada, for female, Pragunjo Madhyama Matra, Balanam Shukti Revatu. For female, Pragunja Matra, and for child, Shukti Matra. Then 85th question, it is a match the following. Formulations and its prakarana are very important portion. So it is very compulsory to prepare a short list of formulations and its prakarana, and it should revise frequently. Here Sitopaladi Churna is mentioned in the context of Rajakshma Chigilsa, and Hinguadi Churna Kudiga is mentioned in the context of Gulma Chigilsa. Madhvasava is mentioned in the context of Kushta, and last one Kamsa Haritagi is mentioned in the context of Shvedu Chigilsa. 86th question is also match the following. As per Sushra Samhita, match list 1 with list 2 in reference to Dwadasha Prasrudavasti. Madhu should be taken in 2 Prasruti. Sneha should be taken in 3 Prasruti. Kalka should be taken in 1 Prasruti, and Kashayam should be taken in 4 Prasruti. 87th question. Given below are 2 statements. One is labeled assertion and the other is labeled reason. Assertion. According to Charak, Tarpanadikrama is advised in case of Alpa Vishuddhi of Kabha and Pitta. Reason. Tarpana provides immediate nourishment. In Charaka Samhita, Siddhisthana, 6th chapter, there is a reference. Samshodhanabhyam Shuddhasya Hrit Doshasya Dehinaha Yadi Agnihi Manthatam Tasmat Kramam Tveyadi Macharet. कफे पित्ते विशुद्धेल्पे मध्यपे वादवैपैत्तिके तर्पणादिक्रमं कुर्यात् पेया अभिष्यन्तेति तत्. After Shodhana procedures, digestive fire become dull, so Peyadikrama should be administered. But Peya should not be given when only little quantities of Pitta and Kapha are expelled, and in whom Vada and Pitta are predominant. In such condition, Tarpanadikrama is suitable. Here in question, reason for administration of Tarpanadikrama is it provides immediate nourishment. The statement is correct, but it is not correct reason or explanation for the assertion. Tarpanadikrama is used for Agni Sandushanartham after Shodhana procedure. So, both statements are true, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Then 88th question, according to Charaka, in context of Phalasruti of Ubanaha, Ratru Bandham Diva Munchetro Divakratam is indicated for which of the following condition? The options are Shura Pariharartham, Vidaha Pariharartham, Shida Pariharartham, and Stamba Pariharartham. Its direct difference answer is Vidaha Pariharartham. 89th question, according to Sushrita, which of the following Kvadha is used in Yuktaredavasti? Options are Dashamula Kvadha, Guduchi Kvadha, Eranda Mula Kvadha, and Tripala Kvadha. Answer is Eranda Mula Kvadha. 90th question, according to Charaka Samhita, which of the following matra of Snehapana is mentioned as Dosha Anukarshini? Matra of Snehapana is very, very important. Options are Hreswa Matra, Madhyama Matra, Uttama Matra, Hresiyasi Matra. Answer is Uttama Matra. 91th question, consider the following and choose the correct answer from the options. Klama Vyabat is caused when Mridu Shita and Alpavasti is given to the patient having Krura Koshta, Tivra Dosha and Durbala. The statement is wrong. When Alpaviryavasti is given to a patient having Mahadosha Rukshada, Krura Koshta causes Atmana Vyabat. Option is correct. And Parisrava Vyabat is caused when Mridu Niruhavasti is given in Amashesha Avastha. Statement is wrong. Pravahiga Vyabit is caused when Mridu and Alpabeshajavasti is given to a patient having Mahadosha and undergone Snehana and Svedana. Statement is correct. Next question from Yendra Vidyadhyaya. Read the following statement of Delhana and choose the correct option. Vastiyendra is of one type. The statement is wrong. Bhagandarendra is of two types. Correct statement. Sanniruddhagudayendra is one type. Correct statement. Arshoyendra is of three type. Wrong statement. So B and C. Bhagandarendra is two type and Sanniruddhagudayendra is one type. These B and C are correct. 93rd question, according to Sushruta, Krishnonada Vrana is the character of which of the following Daktha? Agni Daktha and its Lakshana are very, very important. Tuk, Mamsa, Sira Snayu and Asti Sandhi. Answer is Sira Snayu. 94. For rectal carcinoma, 5 cm from anal verge, the best acceptable operation is. There are two options are correct. Both anterior resection and abdominal perineal resection are correct. 95. Which of the following is the most dangerous position of appendix? Retrocecal, paracolic, retroperitoneal and pelvic. Answer is pelvic. 96. According to Sushrita, given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other is reason. Here assertion Chadurte Sarvanga Pratyange Vibhage Pravyakto Bhavadi. Reason Saptame Sarvange Pratyange Vibhago Pravyaktetara Bhavadi. Here assertion and reason are entirely different. Both are two statements. So both the A and assertion and reason are true, but the reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Both are two statements. Okay. 97. According to Sushrita, Sivana Karma is indicated in which of the following Vrana? Ksharagni Vishajushta, Chalasandhi Vyapshritaha, Andarlohita Shalyajaha, Maruda Vahina. Indication of Sivana Karma and the procedure and types of notes are very, very important. Here option B, Chalasandhi Vyapshritaha is the answer. Then match the following. Rojana Churna Sannibha, Shanga Churna Sadrishya, Basmodaka Pradigasham, Haridravarnam. Here Rojana Churna Sannibha is Paitiga Mutroksada. Shanga Churna Sadrishya, Kabaja Mutroksada. Basmodaka Pradigasham, Mutra Shukra. Haridravarnam, Ushnavada. 99. According to Sushrita, before Rekta Moksha, which type of Ahara is given? Option: Leghu Anna, Pichila Anna, Evagu, Legu and Snigdahara. Answer is Evagu. 100. According to Sushrita, which Shastra is used for Lekhana Karma? Vriddhipatra, Vrihimukha, Trikurchika, Mandalakara. Answer is Mandalakara. Thank you.